We're coming live from Minnesota with the JW Solar USA. Today is back on the project. You guys used to see this all the time. I made a series of videos on my playlist, portable generator kit. Here we go. Guys, that box, you guys remember, it has about 8 C-lead acid battery, which is a SLA. They're just like an AGM. So this is EP Solar, used to be a tracer, and the old school can do a gel, AGM, okay, gel, C-lead acid, and flooded acid battery. So that's the tracer. I got that one connected to only one of my old Kyocera, and one of the thing how to mount your solar panels on a Unistrut and Super Strut. If you haven't seen that video, go back and look at it. That's what I'm using right now. So guys, are connected to the 8 little batteries. They're all 22 amp hour battery each, so that gives me about 176 amp hours gel. So this is what is happening. The panels are sitting in the shade. We were bringing with load now is a 51.4 volt, and it was higher than that before. And the batteries have been sitting for quite a while. Remember the time I charged that, and we are sitting at a 13.4 volt, which these batteries can be charged up to about, I think it's 14.4. So guys, this is what it is. I program the battery capacity. That's the right there. It's like a bulb. I can able to turn this light on and off, or dusk to dawn when the so right now I can able to put only excuse me, 170 instead of 176, because it can only go push this one. You can see like a little tool right here, and you can able to play with this thing. So this is it goes in tens. So I can put 176. So this battery is not going to overcharge, or they're not going to be on the excuse me, full capacity. So this is what I have to have them on. And it says about 29 degrees Celsius. You do the conversion, because how it's getting this thing, it has a sensor. The sensor right here is reading the ambience inside the room to tell exactly the temperature inside, to do a temperature compensation. So that's what it's doing. So it does have the temperature sensor hook up to the batteries, like maybe a Midnight Solar or all these other Midnight Classic or Outback, and all the other maybe Morningstar, TriStar, whatever it is, to hook up to the batteries. So guys, this is it says the state of charge right now is a 70% state of charge, 67, 70. So it's fluctuating when the sun comes out. So it's charging the batteries. So this is the millivolts per cell. Millivolts per cell. So according to the battery specification, 0.4 or 0.5. It depends to if it's winter or some of the batteries are sitting in the cold. So this is what it is. And I end up going here, and it says that's a SEL, that's a seal batteries. So the battery type, so if you push this button again to set, then you can go into different thing. FLD, that's flood, that's a gel, and that's a C-lead acid or AGM. So put this, and goes there. This is for the timer, so you can able to have the batteries, the thing you can hook up one thing here for the lighting, then it can turn on automatically. So it has a connector like a phone jack here, or Ethernet cable that goes to the display right here. These are old school, and guys, I'm not expecting a lot from this. So right now it's saying is 0.2 watt hours it already put into the battery, since I just connected like 5-10 minutes ago. So we're coming back here now. The clouds came back. The voltage dropped to 48 point, or now it's 49 volt, and we're putting that 1.7 amps back to the battery. So this is just for my DC lighting, so I decided to mess around with this, and let's see if I can able to show you the batteries. Stay tuned. Guys, this is the battery, and you guys have seen this. The last time I charged, I used that VMAX tank 12-volt battery thing, and this is a 20 amp. And I had someone asking me earlier about this, if I fixed the other one. So I haven't charged this. Look at the last video. Go back into my playlist, sorry, into my videos, or go on the videos and try to scroll all the way. You see the last time I maintained these batteries again. They've been sitting for over a year, and they still maintain charge, and I just have them all in parallel. And you can see these are UPS and APC battery thing that's supposed to be on that, or jump packs. That's how it is. Well, these were brand new, was given to me, and I just decided they bought them so that they can able to change them in the system, but they never used them, and someone was gonna throw them away. And who knows, me say, hey, you playing with batteries, you might probably need these. I said sure. So I took them, and you guys have seen I used them on the test with the grid-tied inverter limiter, and you guys have seen the videos since that time. Look at the date on that thing, you'll see exactly how long was that. And came back, I tried I think I powered with the MPP solar, the 48 volts, the PIP, I think so. I think I did something of that. I tried it with the Xantrex XW6048, and just to try and power it up, and you guys have seen that. So I was building up a system here that's supposed to be, but like I said, it discontinued at the moment. And I have the Ryobi here and the box I was going to do for my 12-volt system. So I still have to work on this 12-volt system and get it all done, guys. And I just use a 12-gauge wire, which is electrical wire, to run this device right now. So it's not that much current I'm going to be using, but it's just I have to keep trickle charge since I have the opportunity to do this. And I'm going to go about it and just keep this battery to rejuvenate, or just maintain, or trickle charge. That's the word. So they're still trickle charge, and they are all going to be maintaining this battery. I'm going to just leave those panels. Yeah, you've seen them. And this is what it is, and they bring in this power as 2.1. They're all in the clouds though, they're all shaded, but look, it's pushing this. I just dropped them right on my deck, and they're doing whatever they're doing there. So yep, this is what it is. So look at this, bringing about 2.3 amps. Wow. So let's check how many watt hours now we already put in here. Where is this? It's supposed to show where is this? Volt amps. I saw it earlier. Like I said, it's an old school. Oh yeah, there you go. 0.2 watt hours. Okay, so we bring in a 54.6 volts. So it is doing the thing. And this charge, oh, look at that, 2.6 amps. Wow. Well, guys, that's what it is. The light is here, temperature sensor. You can see, able to program that. As I push this, you can see the mode that is going to go for the light, and the timer to go about the entire thing. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Small wires, just do my thing. It's not pushing a lot of amps there. It's a 12-gauge wire, so electrical wire, Romax, that's what I use. So don't kill yourself with that. They start saying, oh, the wires are small. I'm not pushing too much power, okay? So it's just 176 amp hours battery bank right here, and the panels are too small. It's just 83 watts each panel. The Kyocera is the old one, which if you watch Yankee's video, Homestead now, he has the older version of those Kyoceras, which is 120 watts of that panel. But this one is the kind of a little bit newer generation of that. So I don't know if it's still produced to that, but I kept it because it's supposed to give you a 7 point something amp on 12-volt panel. So I have them series all the way. That's why, because the Kyoceras, they are just 21 point something. So those ones are all 21 point something. So I just do that and get them all series, and there we go. So they're on the shade on the deck, and right there, JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. We bring in a 2.3 amps here on the batteries, and I think I'm loving it. Yeah, let's go. Thanks, guys. Love you guys all. Live from Minnesota with the JW Solar USA. Stay tuned for more info coming your way. Bye.